welcome to my channel, Inspired Birdie. So here is another fall DIY for you guys this year, 2019, using all items from the Dollar Tree. And I'm specifically going to be featuring these new jars that the Dollar Tree has. Super cute, and you can get them in several different sizes. This is their mini version. They do have a medium, which is much thicker, and really tall ones as well. All it is a glass jar with these really cute beanbag sacks around the jar and then a tag, and you get all of that for $1 or $1.25 depending where you live. So this is what I'm going to be featuring, and this should be a really simple, super fast DIY because at the end of the day all it is the jar, some floral, and then I'm going to add some extra decor, and that is pretty much it. So let's get started. I should also mention that these are from previous years at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just using leftovers, and that all of this floral is from the Dollar Tree. This is leftover from previous years. I did recently haul this one, and I did recently haul these as well, the cottons. All right guys, hope you enjoy this video. So guys, this is probably the fastest DIY that I've ever done. Could be wrong, but it was pretty super fast. And I only went with one cotton because I felt like two was too much, but I absolutely love how it turned out. This looks like something that I would find at Winners or at HomeSense, Marshalls, those kind of stores. But look at how easily you can make this on your own for a really super cheap budget. Definitely less than $5. I hope you guys enjoyed this really fast DIY. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these fall DIYs, and check out my other ones linked below. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel and subscribing, and love and peace to you all. Bye.